Alright, guys, welcome back to another episode. If you have watched the last video, you already know we explored the beautiful city of Anuradhapura. If you haven't watched it yet, no worries. After this video, go and check it out. It will make this journey even more interesting. So, right now, we are already on the way to Kandy. It's a long drive, but trust me, in Sri Lanka, the journey is never boring. Actually, sometimes the roads are more beautiful than the destination itself. As we kept driving, one thing that really caught my attention was these small houses on both sides of the road. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but these houses look so cute. Some are painted in bright colors, some have tiny gardens, some have coconut trees in front, and almost every house looks so peaceful. No big buildings, no traffic noise, no one seems to be in a hurry. I was literally thinking, should I buy a small house here and retire? More we drove, the weather slowly started changing. Just a few minutes back, it was sunny. Now suddenly the sky became dark. You look outside and think, it's coming. The wind became cooler. Clouds covered the mountains. Everything looks like a movie scene. Honestly, I love this kind of weather. Road trip plus rain. Best combination ever. And there you go. The rain finally arrived. Not just a few drops, proper rain. We slow down a little because safety comes first. But I am not going to lie. Inside the car, everyone was enjoying it. There's something magical about traveling in the rain. The sound of raindrops, the smell of wet roads. Sometimes we keep planning trips perfectly, but this unexpected moment becomes our favorite memories. We are heading towards Kandy. It's roughly a 2.5 or 3 hours drive from Anuradhapura. But honestly, when the road looks like this, you couldn't even realize how quick time passes. One thing I have noticed about Sri Lanka is that every route has its own personality. This road feels completely different from the one we have traveled before. Instead of busy highways, you are driving through villages, forest, and beautiful hills. Every few kilometers, the scenery changes. It's like nature keeps giving you a new wallpaper. And people, can we just talk about these little cute houses? Seriously, every house looks like it's straight out of a postcard. Small gardens, colorful walls, a lot many coconut trees, banana plants. Everything is so neat and peaceful. Sometimes I wonder how nice would it be to wake up every morning to this view instead of Bangalore traffic. No horns, no rush, just fresh air and greenery. That's the kind of life everyone dreams about. Another thing I really enjoyed during road trip is watching local life. You will see children walking back to school, small roadside fruit stalls, people sitting outside their homes and chatting, tiny tea shops where everyone seems to know each other. Happiness doesn't always comes from big cities or expensive lifestyle. Sometimes it's hidden in these simple moments. As we kept driving, we noticed the weather slowly changed. A few minutes ago it was bit bright and sunny. Now look at the sky. Dark clouds everywhere. After the beautiful drive, finally we reached Kandy. Every time I come here, I get excited. Not because it's a tourist place, but because we are about to visit one of the most famous and favorite place in Sri Lanka, the Temple of the Tooth. I have visited this temple more than 4 times now, and honestly, every single visit feels like the first one. The moment I enter, I automatically become quiet. It's difficult to explain, but this place has a different kind of energy. That's why I never miss visiting this temple whenever I'm in Kandy. For those who don't know, this temple is one of the most sacred Buddhist temple in the world. It is believed to house the sacred tooth of Lord Buddha. That's why people from different countries come here with so much faith. As we entered, we could hear the traditional drums. People were carrying flowers. Some were praying quietly. Some were simply sitting peacefully. Nobody was in hurry. Nobody was shouting. Just peace. And honestly, in this busy life, peace itself feels like luxury. Look at the architecture. Every wall, every pillar, every carving, everything tells a story. Imagine hundreds of years ago, people built something this beautiful without modern machine. That's unbelievable. I can literally spend hours just looking around. After Lord Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana, it was preserved. Many years later, it was secretly brought from India to Sri Lanka to protect it. And today, it is kept here in Kandy with great respect. Why this isn't another tourist attraction. For millions of Buddhists around the world, this is one of the holiest places they can visit. Every day, thousands of devotees come here with flowers in their hand, praying with complete faith. The temple itself is beautiful. Just look around. The wooden carving, the golden decorations, the painting on the wall, and the traditional Sri Lankan architecture. Every corner has so much history. It's amazing to think that this piece has been standing for centuries and it looks so majestic. हाँ we found some ice cream in the mall nearby. I don't know why, but ice cream after rain tastes 10 times better. We just sat there, enjoying the weather, talking about our journey, laughing, and simply living the moment. Sometimes happiness is this simple. No 5-star hotels, no expensive food, just good company, a nice view, and one ice cream. After relaxing for some time, it was time to continue our journey, our next destination, Matara. It's a long. As we left Kandy, the road became beautiful once again. Mountains, green forest, fresh. This is exactly why I love road trips. Sometimes people ask me, what's the favorite part of travel? Honestly, it's not reaching the destination. It's everything in between. These roads, the random chai breaks, unexpected rain, small conversation inside the car. These are the memories that stay forever. By the time we left Kandy and drove back to Mathura, it was already 3 am when we finally reached. We were completely exhausted after such a long day, so we couldn't record much once we got back. But that's all for the vlog, guys. Goodbye, guys.